Bella, how was your lesson on star today? Very good, thank you, Miss Eileen. Alright, well, we might not be able to have a lesson on Rose. Why not? Because she's going to be sold. Who's going to buy her? Henriette. Really? What is Henriette going to use her for? High-level dressage. Really? Yes, really. Oh, gracious. Well, thank you for the lesson today, Miss Eileen. Of course, Bella. I'm glad you enjoyed it. Bye. Bye. Excuse me. Yes, what do you need? Oh, aren't you Bella? Yes, I am. We met once before at the show. Yes, we did. I hear that you're gonna buy Rose. I am. Isn't that wondrous? Well, I suppose so. Yes, I'm gonna use her for high-level dressage. Nice. When are you gonna buy her? I'm planning to buy her next week, probably. That is, pick her up next week. Oh, really? Yes, we haven't signed the papers or anything yet. Oh, well, excuse me, I have to go. I need to ride Elvis. I've got a lesson. Oh, goodbye. Goodbye. Come on, Elvis. Mom, Dad, you know the mare I talked about? Yes, we do. She's going to be sold to somebody else soon. We must buy her. Bella, we've already talked about this. We're not going to buy the mare right now. She's very expensive, and we're very busy. We can't buy her. But please, Bella, no. Okay. All right, Bella. Today I thought we would use Shanti here. She looks a lot like Rose. She's also a Hanoverian, but she's used for driving, not riding sports. We're gonna practice some driving today. So it's a way of getting around because horses can travel very fast with it. What we're in right now is a buggy, and we've hitched Shanti up. So now I want you to cluck to her and tell her giddy up, and we'll start off and just practice driving a bit. All right, okay, tell her giddy up. Giddy up, Shanti. Good, to back her up, just pull on the reins. Very good, yeah. All right, now let's ask for a trot. So just say, very good. Yep, backing her up. All the way up, off and up, and trotting her. Very good, yep. See? Yeah, you're a natural at this. You're such a natural. Good, okay. So now park her here, yep. So you're doing really good. Just a little more rein cue and just slightly pulling, making sure it touches her. Not too much and not too little. It's hard to do, but you're doing very good at it. Thank you. All right, turn her over here. Let's ask for one more trot. And then I thought we would go to the town candy shop. My cupcake is so good. I know, mine too. Yes, thank you, Shanti, for bringing us over here. Yeah. Well, shall we head back now? Let's. All right, we're back. You can halter. Oh. Well, that was such a fun excursion, wasn't it, Bella? It was. Thank you very much, Miss Eileen. Of course, Bella. Maybe somehow the world will bring Rose to me. All right, head off. Oh no. She should be standing there.